Hello, Park Hyatt. How's everybody doing today? It's your chef, Matt Garelick, here along with my sous chef, Zoe Garelick, for another episode of Park Hyatt at Home. Please don't hug the chef. Just kidding, you can hug the chef. For today's episode, we're going to be making... I wish I got more kisses at work. Yay! Okay, all right, enough kisses. For our episode today, we're going to be making
a
breakfast.
A Christmas cookie. A Christmas tree cookie.
Not making Christmas tree cookies. For today's episode, we are going to be making one of my favorite breakfast dishes called a crepe.
Yay!
A crepe is really just
with treats on it and whipped cream too, and sugar.
If you'd like.
Lots of whipped cream and sugar on it because I like those.
You could put whatever you want. That's the best part. What I like about crepes is that the batter comes together really quickly, and what's better than pancakes is that crepes could be made in advance and reheated or even frozen, so you can make them in.
And we're making frozen popcorn, Elsa and Anna and Olaf.
Not frozen like the movie, frozen like in the freezer, so that we could make them today and then like eat them in like a couple weeks.
And
here you go. It's really simple procedure.
Too.
It's obviously something that you can make with your family. Or your soon to be unemployed sous chef. Here's the recipe for a classic French crepe. Okay. No, now we gotta make our crepes. This is gonna be the longest cooking video we've ever done. We haven't even made anything. Basic crepes. So we use our fancy scale, which every chef should have, to measure out our ingredients, but you don't need a scale. So in this bowl, we have 125 grams of flour, which is just a little bit less than 1 cup. We have 20 grams of sugar, which is maybe a little less than a tablespoon, big pinch of salt, and we're gonna whisk it all up together.
With my favorite
Yeah, you start whisking gently. Keep it in the bowl. So we've whisked up our flour and our sugar and our salt. Okay, so now we're gonna make a hole. Hold on. And let's show everybody what else we have. We have 2 eggs.
Okay.
We have just a little less than 2 cups of milk. This is 250 grams of milk. And I will crack the eggs.
I want to get my hands dirty.
Well, you're never gonna make it in this industry. I gotta be honest then. 1 egg.
Ooh. Ooh. Woo! Cool. Gotta go.
Okay. We start slowly whisking in the eggs.
Let me do that.
If you remember our episode on pasta dough, it's sort of the same idea. We want to just put the eggs right into the middle and get the flour incorporated, and then we're going to bring in everything together. Yeah, we make sort of like a paste first.
Nice.
So now we're gonna get all of our milk and oil and butter in there.
I got it.
I know. I'm just gonna get it started. Once we get it all incorporated with no more lumps, we're gonna strain it, and that's all you have to do. But there's one key step in making crepes, and that's after you whisk up your batter, you've got to let it rest. Okay. What a lucky sous chef you are. Careful. I don't think I have workers' comp insurance. Hold on, let me move you over here. Move you over. All right, I'm gonna strain this, and then you're gonna see how we go about making them in the pan. Enjoy. I like to rub the pan with a little bit of whole butter. The main thing is that you don't want too much fat in the pan because that'll make the crepes greasy. For a 12-inch nonstick pan, I use a 2-ounce ladle, which is about 4 tablespoons of batter. And now the trick here, you're gonna pick up the pan, and as you ladle in the batter, you're immediately gonna swirl it around so that it coats the bottom of the pan and doesn't get too thick in any one area. It'll get a little bit brown on one side, and I gotta be honest with you, whenever you make crepes, you could be the best chef in the world. The first 1 or 2 are not gonna be so nice. Flip it over, 30 seconds on the other side. It'll get lightly brown on that side as well. Voila. So there you go. Some beautiful French crepes to make for your family or for yourself. Why not? Spoil yourself. You deserve it. If you have any special recipes that you'd like to see on Park Hyatt at Home, please direct message me or email me at the address below, and I'd be happy to show you. Until then, stay well and happy cooking. This is what I'm working with here, people. Yeah.